Good morning, mamas. Today I'm going to talk to you about keto and electrolytes, and getting your electrolytes in are so important, especially while breastfeeding. So I'm Julie and I'm a ketogenic health coach, and I work with breastfeeding mamas to make sure they keep their milk supply up while going ketogenic. So today I'm going to show you the mix that I make every morning. So I fill this up to 64 ounces. So first I put ice in, and then I will put in this potassium chloride, a 1/4 teaspoon. I'll put in a 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. I'll put 2 scoops of my electrolyte powder. I love this Kiss My Keto brand here. And then I put a scoop of collagen peptides, and we know how important that is to get the belly back. So I mix that all together in here and fill it up with 64 ounces of water. And then mix it, and then I sip on it throughout the morning. If I feel like I need a little bit more electrolytes, I do sip a little bit more later on, but I just do the electrolyte mix. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you'd like some more tips on going ketogenic while breastfeeding, make sure to download my freebie, and I'll put the link in the bio, and that's 8 tips to going ketogenic safely while breastfeeding. Have a good day.